In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right KCB mobile app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the right KCB mobile banking app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your smartphone. From this, go ahead and tap on it, and first you'll need to go ahead and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and search for your app by name here. However, if you can't see this search bar, you should see a search icon. Just tap on it and then search for KCB. And if I tap on KCB, you can see here is our app. So these and these are the same, only that this is a sponsored recommendation. So I'll tap on it, and here to know that is the right KCB mobile app, make sure it is from KCB Bank Group. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 29,000 reviews. Currently, the app has over 1 million downloads and the average file size is 63 MBs. So if you see this information, you will know that you have the right app. To get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of KCB mobile banking app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here. Or now, if you go to your apps, you should be able to see our app, and look at that. Here is our KCB mobile bank app. If you open, this is the welcoming interface. Proceed, enter your bank account and create your PIN to start using it. So that's how you can install the right KCB mobile banking app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.